This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Chock the front wheels. Loosen the relevant rear wheel bolts. Then jack up the rear of the car and support it on axle stands. Remove the rear road wheels. Remove the rear wheel arch liner. Using a trolley jack positioned under the rear axle trailing arm, raise the trailing arm to take the strain from the shock absorber. Slacken and withdraw the shock absorber lower retaining bolt. Separate the shock absorber from the trailing arm. Undo the two bolts, securing the shock absorber upper mounting to the vehicle body. Manoeuvre the shock absorber from the wheel arch. Note that, to avoid confusion when refitting, the right hand mounting only has an identification hole. If required, undo the nut and detach the upper mounting assembly from the shock absorber and transfer it to the new shock absorber as necessary. Tighten the nut securely. Offer the shock absorber into position in the wheel arch, fitting the two upper mounting bolts first. Refit the shock absorber lower mounting bolt. Tighten the upper and lower bolts securely, but do not tighten the bolts to the specified torque until the full weight of the car is resting on its road wheels. Refit the rear wheel arch liner, securing the necessary fasteners. Refit the rear road wheels. Lower the car to the ground. Tighten the road wheel bolts to 120 Newton meters. Tighten the shock absorber upper mounting bolts to 80 Newton meters and the lower bolt to 130 Newton meters.